Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is, I think it's the 15th or 16th of October, and somebody just asked me when should they cut back their peonies. These are two peonies I've got here. As you can see, they're dying back nicely now, and what I tend to do then, once it all starts really turning brown and dying back, just cut them off just a couple of inches of ground level, like so, like so. Yeah, here we have the second one. As I've done with the first one, all you need to do is just a couple of inches above ground level, like so. Pull any weeds that are growing next to them, and that's perfect. That's spot on then for next year. I'll show you some that I've actually got in the garden that are taking a little bit longer. I shall wait until these turn the same colour as the ones in the pots. I have another one up here, as you can see. So this one, just wait till this has turned a little bit darker, and then I can put that one back as well. So yeah, that's it with your peonies. Just wait till they die back enough. Just wait till all this energy's gone back into the in the crown, and then you can start by cutting them back. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe and please follow. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.